platform. New Yorkers could now face a $250,000 fine for using the term illegal alien with the intention of humiliating or harassing someone. The same goes for threatening to report a person to ICE. That's the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency.
Threatening to call ICE when motivated by discrimination, derogatory use of the term illegal alien, and discrimination based on limited English proficiency are unlawful discriminatory treatment under the New York City human rights law.
Under the new law, telling someone they should speak English or go back to their own country also carries a potential fine, as do any acts of willful discrimination, whatever a person's legal status. The term illegal alien refers to people who entered or who are in the United States illegally, including those whose visas have expired. Opponents of the term suggest that it dehumanizes migrants in the country. Our guests debated the issue.
With what's going on, I think that, the people in New York may have it right. We need to start using the laws to make it too expensive to be racist, too expensive to do the fear-mongering and the hate-mongering that we're seeing become so commonplace and people become so comfortable spewing in our country. It's just not what America was founded upon, and it's not something that we should be allowing.
No country comes close to being as tolerant as the United States is and diverse. So this notion that somehow New York has to protect us from protect illegal aliens from ugly words. It's funny, throughout our history we've managed just fine without these speech codes, and somehow New York's bringing them in. It's absurd.
These verbal assaults are a form of domestic terrorism because they're hate-based. They're discriminatory against people based on national origin or their citizenship, whether real or perceived.
Yeah, this is stunning. You verbally yelling at people is domestic terrorism. When you start redefining terms like that, and then you can say, well, terrorism is on the rise because people are verbally being jerks. We used to say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can't hurt me. Words can't hurt you.
And it's been caught several times on camera, several people using the fear of being called or having ICE called on them as an intimidation tactic for people, and that's not American.
If you're offended by being called an illegal alien, then don't be an illegal alien. I'm not especially sympathetic with that. What I'm stunned by is to hear somebody who's an attorney defend the idea of criminalizing speech. That is so un-American.
Those terminologies, even the word choice itself allows you to dehumanize these people so much that they're not even deserving of basic human rights, and you can treat them however you need to because they're not even human.
They're twisting language in an Orwellian fashion. If some green men get out on your planet, they are aliens. They are not undocumented space travelers. Alien is not a pejorative. It's what you are. And this side has decided to turn an alien who is here illegally, turn that into some kind of pejorative, and it's not. If you don't like people being called illegal aliens, then send them back or help them home.